Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to upgrade your Hostinger account. So firstly, log in your Hostinger account. Now to upgrade your account, click on Hosting. Now here click on Manage. Here click on these three dots and here is the option Upgrade. Just guys, you have to click on this Upgrade option. Now here you can select any options, any hosting plan like business, cloud startup, cloud professional, and cloud enterprise. Also guys, just here you have to click and click on choose payment method. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.